Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your character symbols and a mouth-shaped sprite sheet into Adobe Animate. Next, bring in a clean WAV or AIF audio file and normalize levels so peaks won't clip. Once done, set the movie's frame rate to 24 or 30 and create a dedicated lip sync layer. This isolates mouth swaps. You do this now so automated steps later map correctly to frames, avoiding timing drift and messy manual corrections. You run the phoneme detection tool or use a script that converts audio into phoneme markers on the timeline. This is the core automation. Then map those detected phonemes to your mouth shape symbols. For example, A, O, M, F, so each marker corresponds to a library graphic. Make sure to nudge markers and extend symbol keyframes where needed. This fixes short, jittery visemes and ensures mouth changes align with syllable attacks. This step turns raw data into readable animation. You now scrub the timeline and tweak keyframe timing to match natural speech rhythm, add one-frame holds, or easing to smooth abrupt swaps. Once satisfied, export a short MP4 sample and listen for misaligned syllables at breaths or consonant bursts. If sync is off, retime markers or rerun phoneme detection, ensuring audio sample rate matches project settings. Small offsets often mean a frame rate mismatch. This final pass locks in the auto lip sync with predictable, correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.